Hello everyone, Namaste. Hope everyone is doing well. So here today I am with my new wireless microphone. This is the first time I'm using it. So with this, I feel I would kind of save some time from re-recording part. Usually, if I speak like this, it won't be so clear audible when I post it or when I listen again because there will be a little distance. So if we use this mic even when I'm doing live, even like while doing videos also, this mic will be very useful. I bought it through Meesho. So then coming to the main point of the video, it is like the review of Malayalam series that I've watched recently. I usually watch movies very regularly. I don't watch it just for time pass or whatever. I feel it's kind of a meditation. A movie, watching movies like it will take us to a different world, so it's like a meditation. You will forget everything like stress, or it take it as a stress buster. For me, I take it completely as a stress buster because it will take to a entire different world. But you will be conscious, you might be having food or you might be doing some things, but you will go to the different world that the director want to show or the actors want to show. So I'm a regular watcher, and I watch it through a lot of passion, passion in the sense not for acting, with lot of interest, with lot of respect, because they put lot of efforts and all. So I watch like the live interviews of most of the actors, how much struggles they faced, and it's not so easy to the level that they have reached. So coming to the main point, that is review of Malayalam series, that is The Secrets of Roslyn. It's originally in Malayalam, but it is dubbed in many languages. As I am a Telugu, I watched in Telugu. So it has like wonderful ending. It's a main thing is like the genre. The genre is a suspense thriller kind of genre. So in all the thrillers and suspense movies, I regularly watch thrillers and suspense movies. So when the main important point in thrillers and suspense movies is the ending, the climax. Like even though the first 10 parts or even though the first half of the movie is like very intense, thrilling, or yeah, make us sit at the seat edge or whatever, if the climax is like poor, or like the backstory, or the if climax is not that, what you call, interesting or gripping, then everything whatever you watched earlier, it will be like diluted. So that part is like taken care very well in this Roslyn, Secrets of Roslyn. Meena actress has acted in this. She's such a great actress. And Vineet sir, he was like, if you remember, like Chandramukhi, in that he also danced and all. Sir, so and Rosaline is the role is played by a girl. She acted very well. So overall, along with the performances, the story is so well written. Um, so my suggestion is that go, and if you are interested in thriller suspense movies, definitely you will kind of enjoy it. So it is like it is in Geo Hotstar. So search for Roslyn. You type as Roslyn in Geo Hotstar. You will definitely find it. And then kind of see, whenever I wanted to do like reviews on movies, I have chosen not to give bad reviews of, if I don't like, I just want to forget it, or I just want to ignore. I want all the movies that I liked. I want to share the experiences, and I want people to reduce the time of searching the movies and all, because I am like, I also filter lot of movies, and I take care that lot of time is not wasted in watching not so well cast, or what you call screenplay, not so well done. If it's not done, so we feel at the end it's like waste of time, energy and all. So I take care of all that. So I want to help you all, whenever you feel like watching, like without wasting time, you can jump into the reviews that I am giving. Of course, later it has to match with your mentality also. with your likes and all. But still, I want to like whichever I am feeling good, I want to share that. So as of now, I am suggesting to you to watch Rosaline, The Secrets. It's an original Malayalam movie, and it's a all together we can watch with family. No such scenes or something like that. It's very decent movie. Thrilling and suspense is too good with excellent climax. So please do watch it. Thank you for watching. Thank you.